Fine, so the first trade is closed with profit, and yep, finally it's closed with profit. So one more trade is closed with profit. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. And we are ready to start our trading session for today. First of all, let me change our investment from 300 to 150. Let's be wise and don't invest our whole deposit in each trade. First trade has already been opened. I have already opened sell position because, as you can see, we have made the false breakout from the channel. Buyers tried to break through the resistance line zone. They have done this, but after this, price returned back below the resistance line zone. And for us, that means that we are ready to continue dropping more and more once again towards the bottom line of the channel. So that's why we have opened sell position and wasting our 150 bucks. Now let's wait and see what will we get from here. Fine, so the first trade is closed with profit. We have around $438 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. Let's find the next currency pair for this. Let's check USD INR. Okay, let me change our investment to 250 bucks. According to the current chart, we're hitting the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel right now, and from here we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction. So that's why I have opened sell position and wasting our $250 here. And now once again we're just observing and waiting for the result of this trade. By the way, guys, concerning my Telegram channel, very soon I will close it, and for you there is a last chance to join it and get the best stuff ever, like best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff. You have just like few last days to join it. Don't waste your time, do this right now, or you will lose this opportunity forever. So that's why I'm waiting for all of you. Link in the description to this video. Okay, my friends, just several seconds left and we will see the result of this trade. Let's hold on. Let's see. Quite a risky trade, to be honest. We're staying just on our entry point, and yep, finally it's closed with profit. Even if it was risky, anyway, we got profit from this trade, and we have around $668 on the account right now. So let's proceed further. Where is the next? Okay, let's check NZDUSD. Here we have almost broken through the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Let me change our investment to 350 bucks, and let's try to open. According to the Williams, price is trying to reverse. Let's try to open buy position here because I think that this was just a false breakout from the channel, and now we're highly likely to get back into the channel. So that's why we have opened this buy position and wasting our $350 in it. Now let's just relax and see what will we get. So one more trade is closed with profit, and we have around $990 on the account. We are ready to move forward, and while we're moving forward, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay guys, while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position, according to the fact that now price is hitting the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands indicator, and from this resistance line zone we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction. So that's why we have opened sell position here and wasting our $450, and still we have around $540 left on the deposit, which is our hedge asset. As you can see, our entry point is absolutely safe because immediately having opened this position, price started dropping, and now it's going to hit the bottom line of the Bollinger Band. Okay, price has gone back to the entry point, but no, anyway, it's dropping, so everything is fine, and trade is closed with profit. We have $1,400 on the account. Now we are ready to proceed to the next currency pair for today's trading session. Okay, let me check JOD CNI. According to this chart, price has broken through the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel, but it was a false breakout as always. After this, price is trying to get back to the channel, so that's why we have open sell position. Moreover, the previous red candle has already shown us the bullish consumption of the previous growth. Now we have already broken through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel. Moreover, we have received confirmation from the Parabolic SAR indicator that we're in the sell zone currently. We have broken through the Parabolic SAR support line zone, and now price is already hitting the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. This is a very nice impulse dropping movement. So, oh yep, we have already hit the bottom line. Now we are almost trying to break through the bottom line. If we succeed to do this, then we will continue dropping more and more, much significantly. Profit. Okay, we have around $1,700 on the account right now. Okay, let's proceed further. I think we still have enough time to open one more trade for today. Let's try to check GBP USD. Here price is trying to hit the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. Let's change our investment from $400 to $550, and let's open sell position and help price to drop more to finally hit the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel. And still we have around $1,150 left on the account. Well, so it's done. We have $2,123 on the account. This is an awesome result. We have multiplied our balance like 3 times more within just several minutes. If you want to have the same results like me, it's absolutely possible. All you need right now is just open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, link for which will expire soon, and I will not be accepting anyone anymore. So that's why you have just like a few days more to join my VIP channel, my Telegram channel. This is right now. Be with me. I'm waiting for all of you. See you all, and bye-bye.